Geoff, big news this week regards access to repair information. Tell us the news.
This is a long journey, David, and it's a journey around getting fair access to repair information for the industry and consumers. Minister Sukar, who's the minister responsible for this particular project, announced this week that the government would enact legislation for the fair access to repair information across Australia. It's a national position. Before that, there was a lot of talk about a code. We've had an agreement that's failed. Even with a code, we had some nervousness about how a code would be enacted and what penalties would sit inside of a code. So this announcement about legislation, we're very excited about that. We expect to get the legislation early next year, and at the moment there's a group now being formed with the leading associations about the overarching body that will manage and monitor the code, but also how disputes will be resolved first through the organisation. If that fails, through the ACCC.